the lesson. So this is a beautiful essay which talks about the life of Savitri Garu, and let us give a great tribute to Savitri, right? And let us get into the lesson. So a tribute. So do you watch any old movies, and do you like any old heroines? Who is your favorite heroine? Please tell me. Who is your favorite heroine? Okay. If anyone says Savitri, tribute. Okay. Oh, thank you so much for reminding me, Sai Rohit. In fact, we are getting into that. Okay. Who is your favorite heroine? Savitri and Jamuna. Yes, Bharat. Shall I believe it? And Niveda Thomas, Pranay Raj. Okay, fine. Okay. Niveda, which means gentleman's, Nani's gentleman films heroine, I think so, right? Soundarya. Okay. Since the question is who is your favorite heroine, you will get a lot of questions. Okay, Vishak, okay, Rashmika, fine, very many are there. Pooja Hegde, many answers are going to come. Let us stop the topic. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, the meaning of tribute is gratitude. Okay, we a gratitude, because Savitri is the person who has given us a lot of entertainment, and it is a kind of gratitude that we are supposed to show her. So let us show our gratitude to Savitri, right? Sai Rohit, fine, very great. A tribute. The Indian film industry has completed 100 years in the year 2013. So, which we have already discussed in Maya Bazar lesson. So, what do we call when we complete 100 years? What do we call it? Please tell me. We used one particular term that particular day. 100 years. Centurion. Commissioner. Okay. It is centenary. Okay. Not century. Please remember it is centenary. C-E-N-T. Centenary. It is not century, it is century. Yes. Pranay Raj has given me the answer very perfectly. Fine. So Indian film industry has completed 100 years in the year 2013. And all the people who love films, there is a happy news. That is, the government of India has permitted the film theaters to start from October 15th, which was yesterday onwards. But no theater has opened so far in Sangareddy. And we heard that PVR cinemas will start in Hyderabad first, and those who are really missing the film theater can go and watch. Okay, so we were just talking that Indian film industry has completed 100 year in the year 2013. It is a fitting tribute. Fitting, I mean, fitting means, suitable or best tribute to the world of cinema, to recollect our favorite films, producers, directors, actors, and music and art directors. So when we complete a certain century or a golden jubilee or silver jubilee, naturally we need to think about who are the people who played a very important role in the industry. For example, our school is going to complete 25 years. At that time, we will think who was the first principal, which was the best batch. Is it 2020-21 batch? Then who was the best student? Who are the notorious students? And who are the teachers who involved? Naturally, we may think about everyone. Right. So here, when Indian film industry completed 100 years, this is the best gratitude that we can show to the film industry, to just recollect our favorite films, producer, director, actor, and music and directors. And guys, I would like to tell you that there is a very famous Telugu film director who, not director, there is a very famous film producer whose name is in Guinness World Record for producing a maximum number of films in different language. Can someone tell me who is that? So definitely we should remember about him as well. So his name is in the Guinness World Record because he has produced the highest number of films in different languages, not in same language. More than 16 languages, including English. And we can proudly say that he's a Telugu film producer. Can someone tell me who is that? Ramanaidu. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay. K. Sai Yeah, Degupati Ramanaidu. He was the father of a very famous film actor. Who is that? Venkatesh, absolutely correct. Yes, his name is in the Guinness World Record for having highest number of films produced in different languages. You can see that the production name is Suresh Productions. Suresh Productions. Okay, there is a boy, PPP, PPP, some kind of sounds and all which come when we when the film starts. Okay, right? And director, of course, we know that there are so many films, and actors and music and art directors. So there are many artists who really made us proud, and it is our duty to give them a great respect or gratitude to those people. So that is what the first paragraph says. And we cannot give the gratitude to each and everyone as of now. So we are selecting only one person to show our great attitude, gratitude. That is Savitri. So let us start giving gratitude or respect to Savitri. Okay, Jay Surya, very happy that Jay Surya even know that D. Ramanaidu is in Guinness World Record. And his first movie, can someone tell me what was his first movie which produced by him, which was also a very famous movie, even it comes in television now. It was Don't Know Sir. Don't Know Sir is not the name of the movie. Yes, it was Ramudu Bhimudu. You might have heard about Ramudu Bhimudu. Yes, Arohit, very correct. Ramudu Bhimudu. Yes. Yes, thank you so much. Telugu audience are proud of many producers, directors, and artists. Are you really proud of many artists? Okay, you have already told you are passionate about many people, right? So definitely, Telugu audience are proud of many great artists, directors, very great. Savitri is one such prestigious artist. Savitri is one such prestigious artist, right? Prestigious. What do you mean by prestigious? Proud artist. Okay, which means where you will feel very great. Goppadanam. Okay, goppaga bhavinchadam. If two Telugu people are abroad, and if they meet any foreigner, they may speak, okay, Savit, have you heard about Savitri? Ame manavalle in Telugu valle. In such a way, they will be able to say very happily. So such a prestigious artist who can make us, all of us, proud, right? Ever since she was 8, she evinced interest in learning dance. So evinced, which means showed, SHOWED. So at her age of 8, she started showing interest in learning dance. So really, talent was in her blood, we can say. Later, she associated herself with the theater. So she started her what do you call art with dance, followed by she associated, she connected, or she joined herself with the theater. So she connected herself with the theater. So here the meaning of theater. What do you think the meaning of theater is going to be here? Which theater are we talking about? Nataraj, Rukmini, Sitara. Which theater we are talking about here? She associated. Yes, not cinema. It is not cinema, we can say. Later, he associated herself with theater. It is, we are not talking about cinema. So here the meaning of theater, not cinema hall, Rohit. It is not cinema hall. It is drama. Okay, here the meaning, you should understand that it is, he's a theater artist. If I say like that, the meaning is he is an artist who performs on the stage. Drama artist. That is the meaning of theater. So what is the theme of our fourth unit? You tell me. What is the theme of our fourth unit right now that we are learning? Please tell me. Yes, Mahesh, your answer is correct, drama. So I would like to know what is the, theater and drama. So why the name is theater and drama is given? Because it is not only about the film artist, but also about the artists who are working on the stage. So in Hyderabad, Shilpa Kala Vediga, Harihara Kala Bhavan, these are all the very famous, and Ravindra Bharati, these are all the very famous, the theater in the sense, not the cinema theater, the public performance hall where the the great actors perform, right? So Savitri also started working with the drama. She formed a theater organization as well. It was her passion that, and she started a theater organization as well. Along with her, some other people were there who were very much interested in drama, right? So in school, some of you have already performed some kind of drama. I remember the drama of Rekna Kaushal and all, who performed about the farmer and all, right? So but right now, the situation is in such a way. If Corona is going away from us, let us hope that the school will start and we will have some kind of entertainment program on the stage. But right now, everything has become like a nostalgic moment, right? What to do? So she had, okay, now we'll come back. She had little difficulty in entering the film field, little difficulty. So what is the difference between little and a little? So a little, which means, almost nil. So she has little difficulty in entering the film field because of her greatness. She did not face much difficulty in entering the film field. And when Savitri was 12, she was offered a role in the film. So at the age of 12, she got an offer in the film, and that film name was Agni Pariksha. So right now, how our system is going to be, we all are in Agni Pariksha, right? So the meaning of Agni Pariksha is going to be facing a tough time, right? And this particular term was based on Ramayana. Can you tell me in Ramayana how it is related? Sita Sakni Pariksha, because Rama is suspicious over Sita's fidelity, virginity, and he wanted to have this Pariksha. So this was the first film of chastity. Yes, Kameshwara Ravu, fine. So this was her first film. But the thing is that she was finally dropped as she looked too young for the role. So this is what the problem with, this was the problem that she faced. She was supposed to act a little bit of elder role, but she looked like a very young person, so she did not get this particular role and she lost it. So this is what, see, for a great, most of the great persons, their starting is going to be with a lot of failures. So that was true in the case of Savitri as well. So let me have a quick stop, because I just wanted to know how many people are there here. Only 32 people are there, right? So last time there were many people, now we can see only just 32 people. Don't know the reason behind why these many people. I think you guys are getting tired due to back-to-back classes or what? Last time more than 55 members were there. Yeah, from yeah, Sandeep, Suifullah, Surya Raju, Revand. Okay, from A3, A4. Okay, A5. No one is there. I think so. Okay, right. So please don't miss the class, guys. Yeah. So we'll get back to the lesson and we'll go to the next paragraph. She was given a song sequence, Ranande Rane Ranu, in Padala Bhairavi, which means her first attempt was flop, where she could not become successful, right? And again she is getting another chance, that is she was getting a song sequence. I mean, it was not a complete role or a full role, where she was supposed to act only in a song sequence, I mean scene, that is Ranante Rane Ranu in Padala Bhairavi, right? And Savitri's part in it was brief. I mean, in that film her role was a small one, but the effect of her performance was considerable. So her effect of her performance was considerable, and she was noticed by everyone, right? So she was noticed by everyone and she became famous as well. So that is what chastity meaning what, sir? This is what Rohit wanted to know. Okay, Rohit, the meaning of chastity is you are suspecting somebody that they have involved in some kind of immoral activity. For example, A is a person, okay, and A is the husband, B is the wife, and A is suspecting them. And anumanam telusu kada, we have heard some of the cases where the husband is having doubt over wife that whether she is a virgin or not, because nowadays we can see many such kind of cases. So chastity, virginity we can say. Okay, padivratyam, I think so in Telugu. Sometimes we say girl, she is a padivrata antaru kada. Padivrata ante enti? What do you mean by padivrata? Tell me. Yeah, pativrata. Yes, absolutely. So pativrata. So that is called a chastity, right? So we'll come back. So Savitri's role in Padala Bhairavi was very small, but the effect of her performance was considerable. I mean, which was worthy, which was notable. Her expressions were very beautiful. A lot of filmmakers recognized a potential artist in her. So many filmmakers noticed this particular thing and they recognized, they realized, or they identified a potential artist in her. Potential artist, which means genuine artist or true artist. Okay, so acting is not an easy job, because the people should feel that they are really performing over there, right? So after this song was very small, but the people identified the genuinity in her. So that is what this paragraph says. Now I think it is her great time to move forward, and she is going to be a very famous. As a result of what? Yeah, as a result of what? As a result of the famous song sequence, she was elevated. The meaning of elevated is lifted. Okay, she was promoted or lifted to the role of a heroine by the noted director L.V. Prasad in the film Samsaram. Okay, so this particular song sequence was an instant hit in her career, and she was offered a great role in the film Samsaram by the director L.V. Prasad. Have you heard about L.V. Prasad? Lakshmi Venkata Prasad. He has got a very famous, what do you call, film theater in Hyderabad, which was the first multiplex in Hyderabad, and it had a record that it was the world's second largest screen. But now there is no screen over there. You might have heard about IMAX. Have you heard about IMAX? Yes, you might have heard about, yes, IMAX. Absolutely right. And LV Prasad's children are running that theater as of now. And you know that if you, those who have watched the film from IMAX, you know that when we try to get into the second floor, you can see there is a statue over there. Okay. And that statue is nothing but the statue of LV Prasad. He was a very famous director, and he was the person who offered a great role in the film Samsaram. Okay, Samsaram oka chadrangam mana samsaram, right, etc. On the sets, and now see, once again problem starts. On the sets, she was nervous. She had to repeat many takes, and this proved a setback for her. So on the sets, on the film sets, she was very nervous. See, many times we have to realize that film shooting consists of many people. More sometimes they have to act in intimate scene as well. Intimate scene, I hope you understood what it is. And sometimes we will feel very shy in front of so many people to act in such a way, right? And Savitri was, obviously she was nervous. She had to repeat many takes, and this proved a setback for her. So takes in the sense, the director was supposed to shoot it again and again, because Savitri was nervous and she could not act properly. So if something is wrong with our acting, what does the director say? He uses one word, right? What is that word? You can, yeah, cut. Cut. Yes. If something is wrong, cut. You imagine the situation continuously. If the actor makes the mistakes, the director will definitely get irritated and they will throw the camera away and ask the producer or someone else to get someone else. So the same thing happened here. Even she had to repeat many takes, and this proved a setback. So here this meaning of setback means, trouble, failure, etc. Okay, right? Yes, Aicharan Reddy. Yes, cut. Very great. So the role was given to someone else, and she was given a small role of less import. So here, once again, the bad luck. This particular role, due to her nervousness, this particular role was given to someone else, and she was given a role of less import. Import means importance. She got a role which has got less importance. So if you look at the previous paragraphs, you can see that her life started with the career started with Agni Pariksha, but she dropped because of young age. Next, she got just a song sequence, and it was little bit okay. Later on, she was offered the heroine role, but that was not successful due to her nervousness. Now she is going to have a big jump in her career. Let us see what is that. She is going to have a big jump in her career. Yeah, that is what the film is going to be. This, in the film Devadasu, which was released in 1953, one of the best picturizations of Sharat Chandra Chatterjee's novel Devdas, Parvati comes alive in the, Savitri. So definitely you must watch this particular movie, Devdas, not Ram's Devadasu and all. Yeah, it was ANR who was the hero of this particular movie. And I can say that this was the best picturizations of Sharat Chandra Chatterjee's novel, Devadas. So originally, Devadas was a Bengali novel which was written by Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. And I request you to watch Devadasu movie. And most of the time, this particular movie comes in ETV cinema. But you guys never watch ETV cinema, right? Except a few people. So try to watch. Originally, it was Bengali novel, and this particular movie was released in, it was made in almost all languages in India. And still, Telugu Devadas is considered as the best among all, right? In that, Savitri and ANR has got a great role, because of their great performance only this particular movie has become very famous. So I can say that. And in Hindi also there is Devadas movie. You know who is the hero of that movie, which is very famous, directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So you might have heard about that. Can someone tell me? You can type the short form of that person who is very famous. Who is that? At least if I sing the song, you will be able to identify that. Dola re dola re dola re dola re dola re. Heroines: Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri Dixit, and hero was. You can type the short form SRK. Shah Rukh Khan was the hero. Okay, and which is a very, very famous movie, right? Because the people are getting attracted to that movie because the story is such a famous one. And the character name of Savitri was Parvati. She comes alive in Savitri, which means her acting was exactly natural, where no one suspect her acting. That is what the line says. She comes alive, which means she was not, nadichadam kaadu, జీవిస్తున్నాను. In such a way, sometimes we say, right? So we may feel in such a way. So the young Parvati with curly hair, okay, you can see the round hair, the curly hair, which you can look at the picture even. See, you can see there is a curly hair. Can you see here? So yeah, so there is a curly hair, right? A lock of hair straying to her forehead. So this line is very important. A lock of hair straying, I mean falling to her forehead. See, you can see this is the forehead of Savitri, right? This is the forehead of Savitri, and here you can see this is what, which is falling, okay, straying onto her forehead. So nowadays people keep in such a way for style. So guys, this lesson is particularly talking about how great was Savitri, and her every aspect is discussing here. So you may feel that, is it really necessary for us to have all these things? But the person, who wrote this particular essay wanted to tell or mention about each and everything of Savitri. That's the reason. So a lock of hair straying to her forehead, the large round blackberry eyes looking out from an innocent face left an indelible imprint in the minds of all Sinilas. So those particular picture, her facial expressions were so great that left an indelible imprint in the mind of Sinilas. I'll explain. Her round blackberry eyes looking out from an innocent face, because sometimes some faces will definitely put us in lot of what you call attraction, or padipovam antaru kada. We have heard such kind of words, right? So it left an innocent face where people will immediately get attracted towards it. That was the power of her innocent face. And this particular face left an indelible imprint. Indelible, which means something which we cannot remove at all, or which we cannot forget at all. Indelible, which cannot be removed at all. So సావిత్రిని ఒక్కసారి చూస్తే చాలు మీ మైండ్లో మర్చిపోలేన ఒక chitram, or a kind of picture will be permanently stored. That is what imprint, which means picture, in the minds of all Cinelards. See, now when I asked you who was your favorite actress, some of you have told that it was Soundarya. Even though she is not there with us, still many people love Soundarya because she was the great Telugu actress who really contributed some kind of great movies. So Savitri is also in that list, I can say. Right? She portrayed, okay sir, what's in the PDF? Once post this PDF in WhatsApp group. Okay, you may please post it. Okay, we'll think about it. Okay, Uday, no problem, I can. So do you want me to post it right now after the class? I can post it so that next time when you come to the class, you will be able to get it. Okay, Uday? Right. So we'll come to know. She portrayed, I mean, she performed, or she showed Devadas' love and the role of a rich man's wife marvelously. Savitri left her mark in this evergreen Telugu classic. So this is what, and the people who watched the Devadas film, is there anyone who watched Devadas film? If not, I can just briefly say what is that story in 2 lines. Okay, not sometimes 5 lines as well, but then only you will understand. Okay, no sir, no one watched. Saifullah watched, but not completely, sir. Okay, no problem. I can just say briefly what is that about, because it is the eternal love story. It was a great tragic story. So the tragic story, the meaning of tragic story is a story which doesn't have any positive ending. Like Gorintaku movie you have watched, right? There is no sad and happy ending. Everyone are dying. In such a way, Devadas is a really tragic story. It is the love story between Devadas and Parvati, and they were in love for a long time, but circumstances are not favorable to them, and they were supposed to separate. Okay, and they really do not wanted to separate, but the circumstances forced them to separate. And Parvati was supposed to marry, I mean Parvati, which Savitri, Parvati was supposed to marry a rich man, right? And Devadas became mad, and he started addicted to alcohol, right? That is the reason, and he started growing the bird and all, right? Gaddam penchukovam. So that is has become a style even now, that most of the people love failure and immediate ga gadda penchukovam, tagadam, this kind of things. So that trend started from the Devadas movie only, from Devadas movie, right? And the sad part is that Savitri got married, and the Savitri and her husband, I mean character Parvati and her husband, both they stay nearby Devadas house, where Devadas supposed to see her lover is someone with someone, and that all scenes are very emotional. Right now you may laugh. If it was in the classroom, many people would laugh a lot when we talk about this kind of topics. But right now, this is like a one-way talking, where you guys are, what do you call, silently sitting there and listening. I can see that. So, but when you experience the love, that is going to be very severe one, that will burn us. So that is what. So Savitri's part, Savitri's role, was Parvati, and that particular character has really done it well, and she left her mark in this evergreen Telugu classic. Even when we watch today, people will cry. Yeah, at last, ANR will die in that film because of alcohol addiction, right? So now there is no solution for such kind of that, because the meaning is the love was very real at the time. Nowadays, yeah, Jagane Maya, right? So nowadays, people are not at all like that. What do they do? ఆమె పోతే ఏంటి నాకేంటి, వాడు పోతే నాకేంటి, నథింగ్ ఈస్ దర్ ఇస్ నాట్ ట్రూ లవ్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో అఫెక్షన్. ఇది కాకపోతే ఇవి ఇంకొకటి, బికాస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో బికమ్ లైక్ చాయిస్. ఎస్, జగమే మాయ లాగా మారింది. ఎస్, అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ సాంగ్, వెరీ గ్రేట్ భరత్. So but that was not the time where the people would, if I miss someone who is very close to me, I don't want someone else, because that is fixed in my mind. So there was genuinity in their life, and that is what these paragraphs are talking about. Okay, so right now we have only few minutes left, so we will have the question answer session, where whatever the kind of things, and I wanted to talk about few more things as well. So this particular paragraph says that the big break, Savitri got her big break in the film Devadas, and this particular role is remembered by everyone, and no one can forget this. So I think we can take just one more paragraph. Yes, yeah, this is the last paragraph for the day. So is there any questions in this paragraph? Shall we go forward? How Savitri is in the heart of people with her great acting, her look, the expressions, everything, right? So yes sir, we can go forward, right? So she has done this role marvelously. So I hope that you are not going to have any such kind of experiments in your life, Agni Pariksha, where may God bless you to get the best one without any trouble, with all your parents' blessings. Yes, Savitri established, I mean, started her credentials, I mean, her skills, her acting skills with Ardhangi. So this is the another great movie. She started her great skills with Ardhangi. She gave an exceptionally brilliant performance as a woman forced to marry a mentally retarded person, ANR. So her most of the pair in her movie was ANR in the initial time. Later on, it became, yes, Pelli Chesi Chudu movie also good. Bharat, okay, thank you Bharat. But Pelli Chesi Chudu is not at all going to be a great experience, because nene unnanu mee munkada Pelli Chesi chuste matra anta vishadam. Okay, because we are struggling right now. So before you get married, you everyone think that yes, it is going to be a nice experience, but oh, horrible. No, I don't advise anyone without having money in your account, don't get married. That is what my advice. Okay. And marry a person whom you like, not the society like. Okay. Society will say that, adi idi caste anni antaru. Kani, please understand, when you get a person who is not fit for you, or who cannot understand you, can will give you lifelong tears to you. Okay, please understand. Anyway, we are diverting from the topic. Yes, Sai Charan, Nirub, you have suggested somebody, Sai Charan. Okay, so you wanted to say that Sai Charan is the person who wanted to marry somebody who is fit to him, right? Very great. Thank you so much. Savitri established her credential with Ardhangi. Okay, she gave an exceptionally brilliant performance as a woman, and her character in this film was, she was supposed to marry a person who was mentally retarded. Okay, పిచ్చోడిని పెళ్లి చేసుకోవాల్సింది, అది కూడా ఫోర్స్ఫుల్ గా, because forcefully we have to marry. Like Ose Ramulama, you know that. Okay, she's taking revenge. Ose Ramulama, you watched. Oh Ramulama, Mutyalamma, Murivalalama. You have heard that particular song. In that film also, the theme is a little bit same, where Dasri Nanada Rao was the hero, right? Where she is taking revenge. This film's theme is also a little bit same only, where she was supposed to marry somebody forcefully, mentally retarded person, which means mad person. She nurses him, I mean, takes care of him back to health. She also teaches a lesson to her in-laws who conspire against her husband, and later on she is taking care of him very well, and she is back to life from madness. And after that, she is becoming Pradigara Durga. Ante she also teaches a lesson to her in-laws, I mean attama, mama, వాళ్ళందరినీ she's taking, who conspire against, I mean, who plans against them, I mean, making secret plans. అంటే గూఢాలోచన అంటారు, కాన్స్పిరసీ, which means గూఢాలోచన అంటే గూఢంగా ఆలోచించడం, అంటే secretly planning something against her husband. So her in-laws were, secretly planning something against her husband, and she teaches everyone a lesson. And this was a brilliant film where she has become a great, she has given a great role. Okay, guys, now we have only few minutes left. Remaining paragraphs we will discuss. Now, the most important part I would like to tell you is, please understand, you are supposed to fill the attendance sheet. Now, I'll share the screen once again to show the status of your attendance and when did you people join and fill the attendance sheet. So this will tell you the punctuality. You can see the screen, right? You can see the how many people have joined. The last person who have joined today is, yeah, Anand Kumar. at 11:04. If anyone missed out, you may please attendance sheet only. This will consider as the attendance. Only less people have filled up the attendance. So if anyone did not fill up the attendance, please fill it up. Yes, and start doing it so that I will come to know. So 11 for Anand was the last person. See, now Abhinay has filled at 11:36. Kaushik also filled at 11:36. Right now, the next person, please do it quickly. See, because I can see that there are many people in classroom, but only few people have. There are 33 people in the classroom, excluding me. No, 32, because I have joined it twice. So please fill it up. Otherwise, your attendance will be missing because here nobody is there to help or do the kind of. All right, everyone. So that's all. If you have any kind of questions, you may please come up.